everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating some Christmas cookies, and I'm here with my friend.
My name is Andrea.
And if you want to check out us baking these cookies, that video will be on her channel, so I will link that below along with all of her social media stuff. Yeah, so she found a frosting recipe and we're just gonna decorate some cookies. Decorate some cookies.
Alright, so let's get started, friends. So a cup of powdered sugar and 4 teaspoons of milk. Oh, do we have a disaster? I was confused.
A disaster.
Have a disaster.
Would you like to follow us?
Spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
So now that we have powdered sugar everywhere,
We doubled it.
just kidding, I'm not done.
With you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
Right. That was like fake. What's it called? White chicks? Alright, friends.
Milk.
And then we need 8 tablespoons of milk in there.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god, 4, 5. That was about 5. I think that was 5. 6, 7, 8.
We're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Some of it shall go in there.
So, wait, I need white for my bear and my
Okay.
snowman.
Okay.
And
Okay. Do you want to get another little bowl? I'm just gonna color one of these green. The Grinch who. Oh wow. We really enjoy that.
I'm gonna do.
Oh.
Why'd you put a spoon in that one?
Because it looked wrong without one in it.
I'm gonna do my bear first.
I'm gonna do my snowman.
Moment will fill with love and joy. Loving is so beautiful. Kissing on a mistletoe, baby. With you.
I'm gonna start doing my stocking. I'm gonna let snowman dry for a bit.
As long as I spend this day with you.
20 for $2.
That's not chicken.
It's chicken in my butt.
Chicken! Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can't spend.
Oh my god! Kind of tiger died.
I know, but I have a video of you on the bus doing that.
Kind of tiger freaking died.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're
I don't know what else to do with him.
do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. To have you for myself.
Oh, okay, we already got the one out. Okay, never mind. Gross like that. Yep, that's what it would do. There it was.
Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Did you get your video off?
We're still going around.
Yeah, you're in it.
Yeah.
But you know what? We can have a professional.
You can use parchment paper.
Happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for
these are our finished cookies. We've been doing this for
3 hours?
yeah. So we didn't do them all, but these are mine.
Mm-hmm.
These are AJ's. And yeah, so go watch the baking video on her channel. I'll have that link below. And thank you for watching.